If you are looking for an awesome USB hub with 10 ports, you're going to want to check this one out. I will show you what it looks like in 1 minute. I just wanted to go over some of the stuff back here first. So you get the 10 port USB. The data speed is the 5 Gbps. You're going to get the 12 volts for the power adapter. You'll see here Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Mac, OS, Linux, all this stuff it could be used for. This is what it looks like. This is awesome that it lights up like this. I really like these. Usually these things are just super boring. You don't see any lights or anything like that. Another cool feature I like about this is you could turn the ports on and off. So for example, if you had all 10 of these plugged in and you only wanted to use this one right over here, you would just hit that and you were good to go. And it is on. You could turn all these on if you wanted to do that. Just really love the innovation. Putting the color over here also comes with this plug. So you just plug this into an outlet and you're good to go. Also comes with this USB cable as well. So you can just plug that in right there, connect it to your PC or whatever you want to do. So if you're looking for a great USB hub that has 10 ports, lights up, and is super awesome, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.